Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Caryn Prince, and today I'm going to cut my box braids. Okay, so I'm a little bit nervous about this because I'm on edge. Like, I want to cut them, but I don't want to cut them. But I'm going to cut them. So I'm just going to show you guys how I cut them and seal them. I'm not going to burn them with the lighter or fire. I'm actually going to use my flat iron to seal the ends. So go ahead and just stay tuned and just watch me do this, okay? So for this, you'll just need your scissors and a flat iron. Okay, here I go. All right, let's see. See, my issue is I know that I want to cut them, but I don't know how long I really truly want it. I'm thinking this is too long. I'm thinking like right here. Right there. Yeah, let's go with this length. All right, so I just split my hair down the middle, guys, and I'm pulling it forward, and I have my scissors here, and I'm going to split this front section off near my ear, and I'm gonna cut it right here. Eh. It's done now. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. Well, ain't no going back, so. All right. Should I go shorter? Where's my hair at, first of all? I know my hair ain't that long, but still. Okay, so my hair is right here. Not too short, because I don't want to burn my hair. Okay, here we go. Same thing, I'm just going to section a little bit off in the front. And I'm cutting straight across. Now, since my hair has been in for a while and it's been dipped, that's why it's not unraveling all crazy. But if you braid your hair and cut your braids like this, when you first do it, it's gonna unravel. So you gotta find a different method. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's too long. Yeah, I think it's a little too long for my liking. Let's cut it a little shorter. Okay, I like that length better. Okay. All right. All right, so I'm just taking my flat iron. It's on its highest setting, and I am going to just flat iron the ends and squeeze it with my fingers. Okay, so that's better. So I'm just taking the braid, flat iron the ends real quick, and then I'll roll it. Just like that. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's enough for me. Roll it, roll it, roll it. And yeah, I'll start to clip these away. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Roll it. And I'm going to do that to every braid, and I will be right back. So at this point, I just began to like have a rhythm with doing this, and you will too once you go along with doing it. And yeah, and actually after I finished sealing all the ends, I just went back and looked through and just made sure that everything was in order. I cut some pieces and re-sealed them, and you'll see where you need to make adjustments. So yeah. Okay, I am all done, guys. This is it. This is the final look. What can I say? I mean, I like it. It's cool. It's cool or whatever. I am excited about not having all that length on me. Like, cause when you have long braids and you're like doing stuff throughout like your day to day, they just be all in the way, all over the place. So I'm excited about that. And I wanted to see what the braids would look like when I cut them, because I'm going to be taking them down maybe before next Tuesday, so they'll be out of my head before then. What I will say, doing this did not burn or damage my flat iron. I know some people might have some questions about that, but it did not. It may be because of the type of plates that's used on this particular flat iron, and this is the Conair Infinity Pro. So, and this is my favorite flat iron. When I'm flat ironing weave hair, the bomb. Okay, this is the best. But that is it, guys. Let me know what you think about the end result down in the comment section, and thank you guys for stopping by. Bye.